cherry on top of your broken dreams. I didn't ask you for anything, but you're acting like I did. I can feel it when you walk around. You see a light, try to put it out. Do I remind you that you never found exactly what you need? Cycles repeating. You'll get mad, I get sad, and then you'll leave, and I'm grieving. What I wish we had, what I really need. I know deep down you're good. You're just so misunderstood, it's deceiving. Round and around we go, cycles repeat. Now I loved you through all of it, the good, the bad, the thick and thin. Always gave you the benefit, but it's getting hard to ignore. If I could, I would take all your pain. I know it's been getting in your way.
Just cruised in from day number 2 on the slopes, done in Park City. We are off to LA tomorrow, but for now we are fueling up big time. Need a lot of food. So basically what I'm doing, I just got another rotisserie chicken, got some bread left over, got an avocado here, and last but not least, we got a tomato. So we're gonna whip up a sandwich right now. We're gonna eat this. This is gonna be lunch. And then we'll check back in a little bit later. I'm not sure what else is on tap for the day. I'm pretty beat. Did another 4.5 hours today, so that was super solid. But time to kick this cold, or whatever it is. Have this yogi tea, sweet lemon, everyday immunity, supporting immune function. Really, really tasty and very effective. So we're gonna eat a sandwich, we're gonna drink this tea, and we're gonna chill until we figure out what's next. Might be nothing, might be something. We'll see.
You'll get mad, I get sad, and then you'll leave, and I'm grieving. What I wish we had, what I really need. I know deep down you're good. You're just so misunderstood, it's deceiving. Round and around we go, cycles repeat.
And lunch is served. We have half a chicken here. We have half a tomato and half an avocado. Obviously, as you can see, just whip this up. Super quick, easy, efficient, macro-friendly, filling meal when you're living out of a hotel or you're on the go. Definitely recommend it.
Do I feel like your world is in my hands? cycles repeat.